The best Bluetooth wireless earphones. Whenever you try to search this term on the Google, you may see a lot of results. Most of those results will take you to the product which is i7 earphone, Bluetooth earphones. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this Bluetooth i7 earphones. So let's continue the video, and before moving on, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do like this video if you like it. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sam and you're watching daily tutorials. So in this video I'm going to talk about this Bluetooth earphones, which is i7 Bluetooth earphone. And if you're concerned about price, it is a very cheap product that you can easily purchase it. So without wasting time, let's unbox this. So here is your Bluetooth earphones i7, and so you can see that there is a lot of color range for you, and you can easily choose from these colors. These are the Bluetooth wireless earphones so that you can use it on the daily basis. So let's see what we have inside this package. Then there is a charging cable which you can use to charge it, and there is nothing else I think so except this wireless Bluetooth earphone. So you may see that it's the copy of the wireless iPods, so you can simply put it in your ears and you can enjoy whatever you want to listen. So right now you can see that how cool it is. So you can charge this earphone by plugging it like here, and here is the power on and off button. You can simply use it. If you're concerned about its quality, it is not a very cheap product. If we concern about the price, then really it's a very cheap product, but as per price range, I think it's the best product in this price range. And if you concern about the price, it's only for the 300 PK. So you can easily buy it from the dross.pk, and I will mention the link below in the description so that you can simply go and purchase this product. So if you want a full review about this product, then you have to wait for my next video. For this purpose, you have to subscribe to my channel. And if you're concerned about its product quality, then by looking you can't consider that it's a cheap product. So you can simply look here if it will focus. So overall, I think you may like this video. If you do like, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to know about this product for more. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Because you are watching this video until now, so I'm going to tell you that the overall quality of the sound of this wireless earphones is really good. And if you concerned about the mic quality, then it's not that good of the sound quality. So if you want to purchase it, the exact price that I purchased it from Draz was 262 rupees, and only 39 was the delivery charges. So if you want to purchase it, you can simply go to the Draz and purchase it. And if you want to connect it with your mobile phone, then you can simply open the Bluetooth and press this button, and you can connect it with your mobile phone. So overall, this product is a great product, and you can also buy these products from the Draz, and these are not the bad products as some people may concern about it. And I think you may like this video. If you do like and you're watching right till now, then you have to hit the like button and do subscribe for the more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. See you next time.